Welcome student, paper number MTS 301, calculus of several variable, video number 32. Unit number 4, double and triple integration, and this is video of change the order of integration and evaluate. Dear friend, first subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. Example number 1, change the order of the integration limit 0 to a, next integration limit x to a, x upon square root of x square plus y square dx dy, and evaluate it. Change the order of integration and evaluate it. First check the order of integration. This is not a correct order. Forget this order and check that. In first integration 0 to a, constant limit. In second integration limit x to a, means this limit is in terms of x. In terms of x, so this is value of y. Y varies from x to a and x varies from 0 to a. So is equal to integration x varies from 0 to a, integration y varies from x to a, x upon square root x square plus y square. Now first integration with respect to y and then integration with respect to x. So correct order is dy dx. Given order is dy dx. Change this order to dx dy. For the new order, find new limits. So for that, first draw the figure by using given limits. In given integration, x varies from 0 to a and y varies from x to a. So region bounded by x is 0, then x is a, then y is x and y equal to a. By using this, draw the diagram. All the equations are equation of line. So for that, consider x-axis and y-axis origin. This point is origin. This line is x-axis whose equation is y equal to 0. This line is y-axis whose equation is x equal to 0. Now next line is x equal to a. X equal to a line is parallel to y-axis, x equal to a. This line whose equation is x equal to a. Next line y equal to x line passing through origin. This line is whose equation is y equal to x. Now next line y equal to a. Y equal to 0 is equation of x-axis and y equal to a is a line parallel to x-axis. So this is line y equal to a. Now draw the region in all these four lines. X is 0, x is a. X is 0, this line. X is 0, x is a, this line. Y is x and y is a. In between this line is a required region. So this is a required region. Now in this region, find new limits. P point is point of intersection of x is a and y is a. So coordinate of point P are a comma a. Now find new limits in this region. In given integration, the first limit are x varies from 0 to a. Now in new order, first limit of y varies from 0 to a. Y varies from 0 to a. Now y varies from 0 to a. Now find the value of x in terms of y. Draw horizontal strip. For that, draw horizontal strip in this way. This region is from this line to this line. Here the value of x is 0. Here value of x is 0 and here value of x is y. Means x varies from 0 to y. X varies from 0 to y. Therefore given integration limit 0 to a, next integration limit x to a, x upon square root of x square plus y square dy dx equal to integration y varies from 0 to a, next integration x varies from 0 to y, x upon square root of x square plus y square dx dy. This is change the order of integration. Now evaluate this integration. For evaluation of this integration, put the value of x square plus y square t. Differentiate this. Derivative of x square is 2x into dx. Derivative of y square 0 because y is a constant here and derivative of t is dt. So we get x dx is dt by 2. Now change the limit of x in terms of t. As x is 0, the value of t, put the value of x is 0. so t is y square, t tends to y square. As x is y, put the value of x is y, so y square plus y square is 2y square is value of t, t tends to 2y square, and therefore continue this integration y varies from 0 to a. Next integration now in terms of t varies from y square to 2y square. X dx is dt by 2, 1 upon square root of x square plus y square is t, so 1 upon root t, 1 by root t, x dx is dt by 2 into dy, equal to this 1/2 constant. First write down outside the integration 1/2. Integration limit y varies from 0 to a. Next integration limit t varies from y square to 2y square. Now 1 upon root t means 1 upon t raised to 1/2, and in numerator this term become t raised to minus 1/2 dt into dy. Now evaluate this integration with respect to t. Therefore 1/2 integration y varies from 0 to a. Now integration of t raised to minus 1/2 is t raised to minus 1/2 plus 1 is t raised to plus 1/2 upon 1/2. T raised to minus 1/2 plus 1 is t raised to 1/2 upon 1/2. T varies from y square to 2y square dy. Then this 1/2 and 1/2 cancel. Integration y varies from 0 to a, t raised to 1/2. Integration y varies from 0 to a, t raised to 1/2 means square root t, and t varies from y square to 2y square dy. Now here first put the value of t as upper limit 2y square, then minus of put the value of t as lower limit y square, equal to we get integration y varies from 0 to a, inside the bracket square root of value of t is 2y square minus square root put the value of t is lower limit y square dy is equal to integration limit y varies from 0 to a root 2 root y square is y minus root y square is y dy. Y common, so integration limit y varies from 0 to a, y common inside the bracket root 2 minus 1 dy. Now root 2 minus 1 constant out of the integration, and integration of y is y square by 2, limit y varies from 0 to a is equal to root 2 minus 1 upon 2, root 2 minus 1 and upon 2. Now put the value of y as a, so a square minus of put the value of y is lower limit 0, so 0. So is equal to we get root 2 minus 1 upon 2 into a square is the answer. Example second. Change the order of the integration. Integration limit 0 to 3. Second integration limit 1 to square root 4 minus y x plus y dx dy and evaluate it. First check that the order of given integration. Given order is not a proper order. Forget this order. So for that integration limit 0 to 3, integration limit 1 to square root 4 minus y x plus y dx dy. In this integration limit is 1 to square root 4 minus y, means this limit is in terms of y, so this is value of x. This is value of x, so outside the limit is value of y. So integration limit y varies from 0 to 3, x varies from 1 to square root 4 minus y x plus y. First integration with respect to x, so dx, and then with respect to y dy. So this is a correct order. Given order is dx dy. Change this order to dy dx. For change of order, find new limit of integration. First draw the diagram by using given limits of integration. Given limits are y varies from 0 to 3 and x varies from 1 to square root 4 minus y. Region bounded by y is 0, y is 3, x is 1 and x equal to square root 4 minus y. These three are equation of line. Now here squaring both side we get x square equal to 4 minus y. Squaring both side we get x square equal to 4 minus y, taking minus sign common inside the bracket y minus 4. X square equal to minus of y minus 4. This is equation of parabola. whose opening is below side, because negative sign, so this is opening below the x-axis. Now whose vertex at point y minus 4 equal to 0 means y equal to 4, means y coordinate is 4 and x coordinate is 0. So vertex is 0, 4. This is a parabola whose vertex is 0, 4 and opening below. Therefore draw the diagram, x-axis, y-axis, this point is origin, this line is x-axis whose equation is y equal to 0, this line is y-axis whose equation is x equal to 0. Now draw the line, y is 0 and y is 3, this line is y equal to 0. Now y equal to 3 line is parallel to x-axis whose equation is y equal to 3, y is 0, y is 3. Now x is 1, x is one line parallel to y-axis, x is one line parallel to y-axis, this line is x equal to 1. Now this point is 0, 3 because equation of this line is 3, so coordinate of this point is on y-axis, so x coordinate 0, y coordinate 3. Now vertex of the parabola is 0, 4, 0, 4 point is here, a point 0, 4. Now draw the parabola whose vertex 0, 4 and opening below side. Therefore this is a parabola whose equation is x square equal to 4 minus y. Equation of this parabola is x square equal to 4 minus y. Now the region in between y is 0 means this line. Next line y equal to 3, this line. These two line. Next is x equal to 1 and parabola. So only this portion is required region. Only this portion is required region. Now in this region find new limits. First find the value of x instead of y. First find the value of x. Now in this region x varies from, x is 1 here, x is 1. Now find here the value of x. Find the value of x. Now here this is x axis, so y is 0. Put the value of y is 0 in equation of parabola. Put the value of y is 0 in equation of parabola. We get x square equal to 4. So x is plus 2 or minus 2. X is plus 2 here and x is minus 2 here. So coordinate of this point is 2, 0. Coordinate of this point is 2, 0. So equation of this line is x equal to 2. This line is parallel to y-axis whose equation is x equal to 2. So x varies from 1 to 2. X varies from 1 to 2. Now find the value of y. Now draw the strip parallel to y-axis. Draw vertical strip in this way, because x varies from this line to this line and y varies from this line to this curve. Here y varies from 0 and on the parabola value of y on parabola is 4 minus x square. Y varies from 0 to 4 minus x square. So given integration 0 to 3, integration 1 to square root 4 minus y, x plus y dx dy equal to, x varies from 1 to 2, y varies from 0 to 4 minus x square, x plus y, now dy dx. This is change of order. Now evaluate this integration. Integration limit x varies from 1 to 2, integration limit y varies from 0 to 4 minus x square, x plus y dy dx. First integrate this bracket is equal to integration limit x varies from 1 to 2. Now this is integration with respect to y. Therefore x is a constant and integration dy is y. So x into y plus second term integration of y is y square by 2 and y varies from 0 to 4 minus x square dx is equal to, we get integration limit x varies from 1 to 2 x and put the value of y is upper limit 4 minus x square plus put the value of y is 4 minus x square, its square upon 2 minus of put the value of y is lower limit 0, so this is 0 and this is term also 0, so into dx is equal to, we get integration limit x varies from 1 to 2. This term is 4x minus of x into x square is x cube plus, now open this bracket, expand this bracket, 4 square is 16 minus of 2 into 4 is 8, 8x square plus x raised to 4 and upon 2 dx is equal to we get. Now integrate this with respect to x. So for constant, integration of x is x square by 2 minus of integration of x cube is x raised to 4 upon 4 plus 1 half constant out of this bracket inside the bracket 16 and integration of dx is x minus of 8 integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5 and limit x varies from 1 to 2 is equal to we get 4x square upon 2 is 2x square minus 1 by 4x raised to 4 plus divide by 2 so 8x minus of divide by 2 so 4 by 3x cube plus 1 upon 10 x raised to 5 x varies from 1 to 2. Now first put upper limit value of x is upper limit 2 minus of put the value of x is lower limit 1 is equal to we get 2. Put the value of x is 2 so 2 square minus 1 by 4 put the value of x is 2 raised to 4 plus 8 into 2 minus 4 by 3 into 2 cube plus 1 upon 10 2 raised to 5 minus of put the value of x is 1 so 2 into 1 square minus 1 by 4 1 raised to 4 plus 8 into 1 plus 4 by 3 into 1 cube plus 1 upon 10 1 raised to 5 is equal to we get 2 square 4 into 2 is 8 minus of 2 raised to 4 is 16 by 4 is 4 only 8 into 2 is 16 2 cube is 8 into 4 is 32 so minus 32 by 3 plus 2 raised to 5 is 32 by 10 minus of 2 plus and minus become plus 1 by 4 minus and plus become minus 8 then this minus and minus become plus 4 by 3 and minus and plus become minus 1 upon 10 therefore is equal to we get plus 8 minus 4 is plus 4 plus 16 is plus 20 minus 2 is plus 18 minus 8 is plus 10. This term is minus 32 by 3 and this term is plus 4 by 3. Minus 32 plus 4 is minus 28 by 3. Then term of 32 by 10 and minus 1 upon 10 plus 32 by 10 minus 1 upon 10. 32 minus 1 is 31 by 10 and plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So is equal to we get take LCM here. LCM of 3, 10 and 4 is 60. So multiply first term by 60. So we get 600. Multiply this term by 20. 20 into 28. So minus of 560. Multiply here by 6. So 186. And multiply here by 15. So 15. After simplification, numerator is 241 by 60 is answer. Next, example number 3. Change the order of the integration. Integration limit 0 to b. Next integration limit 0 to a upon b into square root b square minus y square xy dx dy and evaluate it. First check the order of this integration. Forget this order first. For that, write down given integration. Integration limit 0 to b. Next integration limit 0 to a upon b square root b square minus y square xy dx dy. Now here limit of this integration is in terms of y. This is in terms of y, so these are values of x. So this integration values of x and these are values of y. So is equal to integration y varies from 0 to b. Integration x varies from 0 to a upon b square root b square minus y square xy. First integration with respect to x dx and then with respect to y dy. This is the correct order. So given integration order is dx dy. Change this order to dy dx. Now find new limits of this new order. First draw the diagram by using given limits. The limits of integration are y varies from 0 to b and x varies from 0 to a upon b square root b square minus y square. Means region bounded by y equal to 0. Next one y equal to b, x is 0 and x equal to a upon b into square root b square minus y square. First three equation are equation of line and this is the equation of curve. Identify this curve. So for that simplify this equation. First divide by a. First divide by a, we get x upon a is equal to square root of b square minus y square upon b. Now squaring both side we get x square upon a square equal to b square minus y square upon b square. Therefore we get x square upon a square is equal to, on right hand side separate two terms. First term b square upon b square minus of second term y square upon b square. Now b square upon b square is 1 and this minus term write down on left hand side become plus. So we get x square upon a square, this term on left hand side plus y square upon b square is equal to right hand side b square upon b square equal to 1. This is equation of ellipse in standard form. This is equation of ellipse in standard form. Now draw the diagram. First draw x axis and y axis. This point is origin. This line is x axis whose equation is y equal to 0. This line is y axis whose equation is x equal to 0. Now draw the ellipse. Ellipse in standard form. This is the ellipse in standard form. Now equation of ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So we know coordinate of this point. This point is a comma 0 and coordinate of this point are 0 comma b. A point a comma 0, 0 comma b. Now draw the line y is 0. Y is 0 means x axis. Then next line y equal to b. Y equal to b line is parallel to x axis and passing through point 0b. This line whose equation is y equal to b. Now next line x equal to 0 and ellipse. Required region is in between line y is 0, this line. Next line y is b, second line. Then next one x is 0 and ellipse. In between all these four lines and curve is required region. This is a required region. Now in this region find new limits. In given limit first y is 0 and y is b. Now instead of y first now find value of x. Here x is 0. This region is in between x is 0 up to this line. Now this line is parallel to y axis. This line is parallel to y axis whose equation is x equal to a. Therefore in this region new limits are x varies from 0 to a. Now find the values of y in this region. So for that draw vertical strip. For that draw vertical strip in this way. Now find the value of y here and value of y here. We know here value of y is 0 and by using equation of ellipse find the value of y. We know equation of ellipse is. Now write down again equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. By using this equation find the value of y. So we get y square upon b square is equal to 1. Write down this term on right hand side minus x square upon a square. So y square equal to multiply by b square and inside the bracket take LCM here. LCM is a square. So we get a square minus x square. And therefore taking square root of both sides we get y is equal to plus minus. Y equal to plus minus b upon a into square root a square minus x square. Now in the first quadrant y is always positive. Therefore y varies from 0 to b upon a into square root a square minus x square. Value of x varies from 0 to a and y varies from 0 to b upon a square root a square minus x square. And therefore given integration limit 0 to b integration limit 0 to a upon b square root b square minus y square xy dx dy is equal to integration x varies from 0 to a. Next integration y varies from 0 to b upon a square root a square minus x square xy dy dx. This is change the order of integration. Now evaluate this integration. First evaluate this integration with respect to y. Therefore we get integration limit 0 to a inside the bracket. Now this is integration with respect to y. Here x is a constant, so x, and integration of y is y square by 2. Y varies from 0 to b upon a into square root a square minus x square dx. Now here first put value of y as upper limit and then put lower limit. Before that 1/2 is a constant out of the integration 1/2. Integration x varies from 0 to a into x. Now put the value of y square as upper limit b upon a into square root a square minus x square bracket square is a y square minus of put the value of y is 0 0 into dx. Therefore is equal to we get 1/2. Integration limit x varies from 0 to a x. Now square of this term b upon a into square root a square minus x square square is b square upon a square into a square minus x square dx. Now here this b square upon a square constant write down out of the integration, so is equal to b square upon 2a square. Integration limit x varies from 0 to a. Now multiply by x here, so first term is a square x and next term is minus of x cube dx. Now integrate this, so is equal to b square upon 2a square. Now integrate with respect to x. A square constant, integration of x is x square by 2 minus of integration of x cube x raised to 4 upon 4 limit x varies from 0 to a is equal to we get b square upon 2a square. Now here first put the value of x is upper limit a. So a square into a square by 2 is a raised to 4 upon 2 minus of a raised to 4 upon 4 minus of put the value of x is lower limit 0, so this is 0 and this is also 0 is equal to we get b square upon 2a square. Inside the bracket take LCM as a 4. LCM is 4, so multiply first term by 2, so 2e raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. LCM is 4, so multiply first term by 2, 2e raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. So is equal to we get b square upon 2a square. Inside the bracket 2e raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 is a raised to 4 upon 4. Now divide by a square, so we get a square into b square upon 8 is equal to a square b square upon 8 is required answer. Fourth example, change the order of integration. Integration limit 0 to 4a. Next integration limit x square by 4a to 2 root ax dx dy and evaluate it. First check the order. Forget this order. Therefore integration limit 0 to 4a, integration limit x square by 4a to 2 root ax dx dy. Now this limit is in terms of x. So these are values of y. So first integration limit, these are values of x. So integration limit x varies from 0 to 4a. Next integration limit y varies from x square by 4a to 2 root ax. Now this is integration with respect to y. So first dy and then dx. So correct order is dy dx and change this order to dx dy. Now draw the diagram of given order and find new limits. Now given limits are x varies from 0 to 4a and y varies from x square by 4a to 2 root ax. Therefore region bounded by x equal to 0, next one x equal to 4a, y equal to x square by 4a and y is equal to 2 root ax. Now first two are equation of line. Now simplify next two curve. Therefore we get cross multiply, so 4ay equal to x square. Now here squaring both sides we get y square equal to 4a. Now both are equation of parabolas. Y square equal to 4x, this is parabola in standard form opening right side of the y-axis, and x square equal to 4ay, this is parabola opening above the x-axis. X square equal to 4ay and y square equal to 4x, both are parabolas. Now draw the diagram. This line as a x-axis and this line as a y-axis. This point is origin, x-axis, whose equation is y equal to 0. This line is y-axis, whose equation is x equal to 0. Now the parabola x square equal to 4ay opening above the x-axis passing through origin, equation x square equal to 4ay. Next parabola y square equal to 4x opening right side of the y-axis. Now draw the line. First line x equal to 0 means y-axis. Next line x equal to 4a. X equal to 4a line parallel to y-axis and passing through this point. This line is x equal to 4a. So required region is in between these two lines and in between these two parabolas, x square equal to 4ay and y square equal to 4x. Now required region is this region, is the required region. Now find the point of intersection, P point, coordinate of point P. This point is point of intersection of line x equal to 4 and parabola y square equal to 4x. In parabola y square equal to 4x, put the value of x is 4. So 4a into 4a is 16a square. So y equal to 4a. So coordinate of point P are value of x means x coordinate 4a and value of y is also 4a. So point of intersection is 4a comma 4a. Now find new limits. First, in given integration, the values of x as a constant. Now in new integration, the values of y as constant. So first y varies from this line. Y varies from this line, y equal to 0. Draw a line parallel to x-axis. Equation of this line is y equal to 4a. Means y varies from 0 to 4a. Now find x varies from. So for that draw horizontal strip. Draw horizontal strip and x varies from this parabola to this parabola. Now on this parabola value of x is y square upon 4a, and on second parabola value of x is square root 4ay means 2 root ay. Therefore y varies from y square by 4a to 2 root ay, and therefore given integration limit 0 to 4a, integration limit x square by 4a to 2 root ax dy dx is equal to integration limit y varies from 0 to 4a, integration x varies from y square by 4a to 2 root ay dx dy. This is change the order of integration. Now evaluate this integration. For that first evaluate this integration. This is integration with respect to x. Therefore is equal to integration y varies from 0 to 4a. Now integration of dx is x and x varies from y square by 4a to 2 root ay dy. Now here first put the value of x is upper limit. Therefore is equal to integration y varies from 0 to 4a. Put the value of x upper limit 2 root ay minus of put the value of x lower limit y square upon 4a dy is equal to we get is equal to integration y varies from 0 to 4a 2 root a and root y means y raised to 1 half minus 1 upon 4a into y square dy. 2 root a constant, integration of y raised to 1 half. Integration y raised to 1 half is y raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 4a. Integration y square is y cube by 3. Y varies from 0 to 4a is equal to we get 4 root a by 3. 4 root a by 3. First put upper limit. Value of x is 4a. 4a raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 12a. Value of x is 4a. 4a bracket cube minus put the value of y is lower limit 0. So this term is 0 and this term is also 0 is equal to we get 4 root a by 3. Now this is 4a raised to 3 by 2 means 4 raised to 3 by 2 into a raised to 3 by 2 minus of 1 by 12a. 4a bracket cube is 64a cube equal to 4 root a by 3. Now 4 raised to 3 by 2 is 4 raised to 1 plus 1 half. 4 raised to 1 and 4 raised to 1 half is root 4. 4 root 4 into a raised to 3 by 2 is a root a. A raised to 3 by 2 is a root a minus half. Divide by 4. So we get 16a square. 16a square by 3. Divide by 4 we get 16a square by 3. Now this 4 into 4 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 32 root a into root a is a into a is a square. 32a square by 3. First term after simplification is 32a square by 3 minus of 16a square by 3. LCM is 3, so is equal to 32a square minus 16a square by 3. 32a square minus 16a square is 16a square by 3 is required answer. Dear friend, subscribe this channel and share to our friend. Thank you.